Hello everyone, I'm Paolo, and this is my tutorial on CSS Pseudo class and Pseudo element. CSS is short for cascading style sheets, a new feature being added to HTML that gives both website developers and users more control over how pages are displayed. With CSS, designers and users can create style sheets that define how different elements such as headers and links appear. These style sheets can be then applied to any web page. What are pseudo classes? A pseudo class is used to define a special state of an element. It can be used to style an element when a user mouses over it, style visited and unvisited links, style an element when it gets focus. Things you need before you start this tutorial. One must have basic knowledge in HTML tags, a text editor, and a browser installed on your computer. The syntax of pseudo classes. Commonly used pseudo classes are the link, visited, hover, active, and focus. Okay, so let's open our notepad. In this example, I will show you how to style a link. So the pseudo class link, visited, hover, and active. I will show you what is the effect of each of these pseudo class. So let's try to open this in our browser. Okay, so this link is still not visited, so its color is red. Now if you hover your mouse over the link, it will change the color hot pink. Now if you select the link, the color will change to blue. Let's try this one. Okay, so let's go back. Since I already visited the link, the color of the link is now color green. Okay, note, hover must come after the link in the CSS definition in order to be effective, and also active must come after hover in the CSS definition to make it work. Now the next example is the pseudo class focus. In this example, I have used the text box, input type text box, to show you the effect of focus. Okay, let's try to open this in our browser. Okay, so I have two text box here. So if you click one of the text box, okay. Next is pseudo elements. A pseudo element is used to style specific parts of an element. It can be used to style the first letter or line of an element, insert content before or after the content of an element. The syntax of pseudo element. Notice the double colon notation. This is used to distinguish pseudo element from pseudo classes. The commonly used pseudo elements are first line, first letter, before. Okay, let's open our notepad. Okay, in this example, the pseudo element first line, I'm going to style the first line of the paragraph to color red. Okay, let's open this in the browser. So as you can see, the first line of the paragraph is now colored red. So that's the pseudo element first line. Next is the first letter. So you can style the first letter of the paragraph You can change the color and also the size. So in this case I used color blue, and I increased the font size a little bit larger. So there you have it. The next is the before pseudo element. So I've inserted emoji, actually it's a picture saved in my computer. So here you have the emoji, the picture before the heading. So that's the use of pseudo element before and pseudo element after. And that's all for today, guys, and I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Again, I'm Paolo, signing off. Thank you for